Hey guys, today I'm back with a new video related to the stock market. So today I'll discuss about the two stocks. One is about the IPO called Devyani International. Devyani International is a company which manages the KFC activities. KFC means Kentucky Fried Chicken activities in India. And another thing is about PVR. PVR recently posted its quarter one result. So we are going to discuss both things. So first, let us begin with PVR's result. So if you want to discuss about any company I have discussed in the earlier YouTube videos, just go to the BSC India website and search the company name and then go to the corporate sections. Easily you can get it. So what I'm going to do is I'll search PVR over here. That's it. And the company is shown over here. Yes, we have to wait a minute according to this way. Announcements. No. Wait a minute, where did I miss it? Yeah, here. Corporate announcements. Click on this corporate announcement section, and after this, just go to the corporate announcement and see about the company's result. So here, if you get any confused, if you have any confusion, click on results and click on submit. You'll easily get the PDF and you have to download it. That's it. Let me wait till the PDF gets downloaded. It's a 4 MB PDF. I'm focusing mostly on this stock because recent, as you know, because of COVID-19 second wave, most of the theaters across India was closed. But as the COVID wave starts to cool down, more and more states are allowing the theaters to open with 50% occupancy. So as a result, many companies or many movies, high budget movies, anticipated movies are going to get released. For example, in Telugu industry there are dozen of movies which are waiting to get released. Same in Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam. And Suryavanshi, which is Akshay Kumar's movie, Suryavanshi or Akshay Kumar, Bell Bottom, I'm not sure. Some movie is going to get released on August 19th in Bollywood. So many things are unraveling up. So this sector might see revenge spending because after COVID-19 second wave. So let us wait. So here, let us go to the section. Here they have mentioned company's result. Revenue, obviously, it will be better year on year because first quarter of FY21 was nothing. I mean, most of the people were very scared about COVID-19. They didn't even leave their house, and not even a single single movie was casted during that time, according to me. So let us forget about year on year. We'll focus on quarter because Q4 of FY21 the company performed surprisingly well because most of the movies were released during that period. For example, Master, blockbuster movie, and Robert in Kannada, and similarly Vakil Saab in Andhra. So as these movies were released during this period, the entertainment sector or the theater companies made a good profit during this period. So here, when we come to the income, yeah, it is better quarter on quarter, and here the rupees is in lakhs. So the revenue is 46 crores in this quarter. So net loss is currently 104 crores. It has been narrowed out compared to year on year. But in the Q4 of FY21, the company had 42 crores of profit. So this is the thing which I wanted to, think about this. And recently, PVR has opened 4 stores, 4 screens across India. So we can, if the COVID-19 pandemic cools down in India, one can see a good revenge spending in the sector. So let's hope for the best. And recently, even in INOX, there was a speculation that Jeff Bezos is going to invest in this company. But we are not sure because the company denied that fact. Obviously, if the deal is in the initiation stage, I mean, if they are just thinking about the deal and doing the due diligence and valuations, etc., obviously every company will deny it. Even the investor will deny it, and the company where he is investing, that company will also deny it. So let's wait for some days until the news comes up. If the news comes up, it is going to be positive news. If the news is negative, then it's fine, because what do you say, the company doesn't exponentially change after Jeff Bezos invests, until he, what do you say, clubs Inox and Amazon Prime. Okay, if this Jeff Bezos is investing in this company, then it doesn't matter much. But if Amazon Prime as a whole, or Amazon e-commerce company as a whole is investing in this Inox, then we can see a good growth in this sector, because Amazon already has a OTT platform called Amazon Prime, so they can club this Inox and Amazon Prime together, and it might open up to new opportunities in the OTT space in the future. So compared to PVR, I am more interested in Inox, because the debt to equity ratio is very low, and the company is managing its debt properly, and even more, you say, foreign equity investors and DIS are interested in investing in Inox. And also, when we compare to the promoter holding in PVR is very low. It's about 12%, and promoter has decreased his shareholding from 16 to 12%, which is not a good sign for the company. Already he has very less holding, that is 16%. Now he has again decreased it to 12%, which is an alarming sign. But in Inox, even Inox, what do you say, the promoters have done profit booking. They have sold their shares, but even now they hold some 48% of stake in the company, which is manageable. So this is about the first company which I was talking about. The second company which I would like to discuss with you is Devyani International. Dev yeah, Devyani International. Now just go to the company website and money control, and if the company is listed, then go to the BSE website. You'll get every information, almost all information which you want regarding the company. So let's go to the company website and let's study about what the company does basically. There is some internet issue right now, so let us wait for some minutes until the website functions properly. Yeah, banned. Okay, so it has 665 stores across 155 cities across India. All this Jubilant Foodworks, Westlife Development Limited, and about, okay, Pizza Hut is also the partner. Then it's good. Okay, this Devyani International manages both Pizza Hut and KFC, which is a good sign. And it has won several awards of South India. Okay, blah blah blah. IP order. Let's go to this Livement channel, Livement website. Over here, yeah, Pizza Hut initial public offering. So the company is going to raise about 1,800 crores, and out of which 440 crores will be offered for sale, and will be fresh issue, and offer for sale is 1,800 crores minus 450 crores. So which is not normally a good sign, because if the offer for sale is very low and the fresh issue is very high, like what we had seen in the Zomato, then it means that the promoters of the company are still interested in the company and they don't want to sell their shares. Obviously here the company has not sold its entire shares, but this is generally not considered as a good sign for the company and bankers. Yeah, this thing is normally done by every company which is going to less, in order to do the due diligence and predict the correct valuation for the company. And grey market premium is 52 rupees, and the stock is going to be listed at 440. So you can check 52 divided by 440 will approximately give around 1/8 of it, which is 12.5%, which is not that good, and it might change over a period of time, because there will be a 10-day period between the IPO period and the listing period. So in that 10-day period, even if something happens, then there can be a major change in the grey market premium. That is what we have noticed during SBI Cards, because SBI Cards had launched their IPO during the period of February March. But at that February March 2020. But during that time, India had witnessed, in fact, the world had witnessed the first wave of COVID-19 pandemic. So the sales of the company was not that. I mean, the whole world was shutting down. So we had witnessed a bad opening or IPO listing of SBI cards. But eventually, the stock price recovered over a period of time. If the company is good, then it will recover, even if it goes for a long period of consolidation. That we have to think, because Reliance at a period of time was in consolidation for a period of 10 years. Wipro was consolidating for a period of 4 to 5 years. TCS was also in a consolidation period for 2 years. Similarly, right now ITC is in a consolidation phase, right? I mean, from the past 4 or 5 years. So let us wait what happens in the future. 52 gram premium, and it has 297 Pizza Hut stores and 264 what do you say, KFC stores. Well, that is a good sign for the company. Yeah, this was the thing which I wanted to say. And Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has started new airline company. So let us wait how the thing unravels up and how he decides to go upon, because he's now what do you say, focusing that he's now telling that he's going to focus on a cheap airline like Indigo. So if Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is interested in this sector, then he might have witnessed some extra unique potential, because India is still a growing country. Like, most of the Indians have not even used have not even set their foot on the flight, have not even used their flight for the first time, for even one time. The percentage might be as much as 90%. So if the price fare is low, and as the country develops, our standard of living also improves, so we can witness a good organic growth in all, what do you say, in this sector, as well as in the luxury sector, in the hotel industry as well. So thank you guys, I'll take a leave. Have a good night. Bye guys.